All right, so if you're working for many hours on your computer or maybe standing up, this is a great thing. Like this is not, it prevents me to actually moving all the way back while hunchbacking. And that's the problem with us. When we're sitting down so long, we tend to put our hunchback, but because of this strap, if you guys can see it, so you could make it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. It's up to you. When you're sitting down, it's very comfortable, as you can see. It doesn't have any effect on me. I can move, adjustable. Like I said, I can move anywhere I want, and you have access to your computer. You have access to yourself. Now, it might not look good, but it feels really good, to be honest with you. Because one of these things that I like about it is that, if it's too uncomfortable and you sit down, you got to let it loose. And the good thing about it is that everything is right here in front of you, that you could relax it a little bit better, or you could tie it a little bit better. It's up to you, right? So I'm going to show you how to put it on. All right, first of all, you got to make sure that these go over your shoulders. Once they go under your shoulder into the extra strap, you grab these two together. They meet up in the center, right? Strap it up in there. Now you have these two loose ones right here, but they're not loose. They're part of the shoulder straps, right? Are able to marry them together, completely tied down, so you guys can see that. You can't really hunchback too much on this one. It's adjustable. And these two, if it's too tight, you can loosen them up and just put them by side. Or option, just let them be on itself. And if it's too tight, you can loosen it up. Tight center again. And these two there meet up. Push them as hard as you want. When you do that, it straightens up your back. And that's it. So, hope you guys enjoy this video.